Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight market scenario by Saigal Seatrade.
The Asia-Pacific Supramax market freight rates slid on April 7th, following a subdued start to the trading week in the Pacific Basin. The Asia-Pacific Panamax market freight rates weakened on April 7th, as market participants reported a slow start to the trading week in the Pacific Basin.
Adani tightens grip on box transshipment in Indian Ocean region with opening of Colombo terminal. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited, India's largest integrated transport utility, has started operating a deep-water container terminal at Colombo Port, built with an investment of $800 million as tycoon Gautam Adani tightens grip on container transshipment in the Indian Ocean region. The Colombo West International Terminal Private Limited, 50% owned by Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, will have a berth length of 1,400 meters, water depth of 20 meters and terminal area of about 64 hectares, making it a prime transshipment destination to handle ultra-large container ships. Cargo handled by 12 major ports grew 4.34% in FY25 to 854.858 million tons. The 12 major ports owned by the Union government handled a combined 854.858 million tons of cargo in FY25, 4.34% more than the 819.294 million tons of cargo in FY24 on the back of strong growth in containers, finished fertilizer and other miscellaneous cargo. The dozen major ports handled a combined 13.541 million 20-foot equivalent units in FY25 from 12.310 million TEUs in FY24, clocking a growth of 10%. Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority handled 7.302 million TEUs, or more than half of the total container volumes shipped through major ports. Huntington Ingalls HD Hyundai Heavy Industries signed MOU for shipbuilding collaboration. U.S. military shipbuilder Huntington Ingalls and South Korea's HD Hyundai Heavy Industries have signed an agreement to explore opportunities to increase production in commercial and defense projects, the companies said on Monday. The company signed a memorandum of understanding to look into areas of innovation and maximize production efficiency using their combined resources. The US is looking to deter China's dominance in the shipbuilding sector. In January, the US Trade Representative's probe found China's shipbuilding dominance was unreasonable and actionable under the United States trade laws. Oil prices crash. US crude falls below $60 per barrel to lowest since 2021 as Saudi cuts rates. Oil sank at the week's open after Saudi Arabia slashed its flagship crude price by the most in more than 2 years, and the escalating trade war spurred concerns about a global recession and weaker demand. Global benchmark Brent dropped by almost 4% to $63.21 a barrel, a 4-year low after slumping 11% last week, while West Texas Intermediate was at $59.79 a barrel. State producer Saudi Aramco will lower the Arab Light crude to its biggest buyers in Asia by $2.3 a barrel from May. The move came just days after the OPEC Plus alliance announced an unexpectedly large output hike. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.